On-chain launches move incredibly fast, and for human analysts, that creates a difficult problem. New tokens appear constantly, information changes by the minute, and most people are forced to make decisions in a very noisy environment. In practice, most available tools still rely on the same pattern. They show charts, raw activity feeds, or one-shot AI summaries, but they do not maintain a living thesis as the evidence changes over time. That is the gap MIA is designed to solve. MIA turns each serious token into a live investigation. Instead of treating token analysis like a static page or a one-time report, MIA creates an AI-native workflow for research, monitoring, and ongoing revision. The result is not just a summary. It is a system that stays attached to the case and keeps tracking what matters. The first step is grounded analysis. MIA produces an AI read based on actual on-chain evidence, including transaction activity, deployer history, wallet structure, and contract-level facts. This is important because the goal is not to generate generic AI commentary or surface-level opinions. The goal is to create a structured score that is connected to real evidence and can be inspected, challenged, and updated as new signals appear. But the real innovation is not only that MIA can score a token, the real innovation is that MIA defines what would make it change its mind. This is the core idea behind MIA tripwires. Instead of pretending that an early conclusion is final, MIA explicitly maps the conditions that could shift the thesis in either direction. It identifies what could strengthen conviction, what could raise risk, what should trigger deeper investigation, and what would invalidate the case entirely. In other words, MIA is not just giving a judgment. It is making its reasoning operational. That matters because chaotic launches are not static situations. A token can improve, deteriorate, or reveal new evidence very quickly. What investors and analysts need is not just a score at one point in time. They need a system that can say, here is the current thesis, here is what supports it, and here is what would cause us to revise it. That is what makes MIA different from dashboards, chat wrappers, and disposable reports. On top of that, MIA includes Ask MIA, which is not a disconnected chatbot layered on top of the product. It works from the same live investigation context. It uses tools, operates